Yo, what's up YouTube? Ryan with the Hemifam back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys, and we did it, guys. In today's video, we're going to be showing you the replacement for the old Hag. If you didn't see our previous video, our 2015 Charger Scat Pack is sold. It is gone, and we just got something new. So let's go ahead and take delivery of this bad boy and show you guys just exactly what we got. I got the window sticker right here. We will go over all of that in a few minutes, but let's go ahead and jump off into the video and show you guys just exactly what we got. So let's go ahead and do that now. Oh yeah, here she is, guys. The 2021 wide body Scat Pack. As you can see, we already got the car tinted, and I'm really loving this car, guys. It's the 2021 wide body, so it has all of the upgrades. It's got the 11-inch wheels all the way around, wrapped in the Pirelli's 305s. Does have the 6-piston Brimbos with the newer style rotors without as many slots. I don't know why they put SRT on there, but I mean, it is what it is, guys. This is a really good looking car. So let's pull it in here and we'll get a closer look and show you guys just exactly what we're working with. So at first I really wasn't sure about this Touareg, but after the tint, after I probably put some satin on the hood, it's gonna look really good. And I mean, this color just pops, guys. It looks really good. I'm kind of happy I got red. I've had the black car, and black car's cool. It just kind of blends in. Now this red really pops. My only concern is I hope it's not too bad of a cop magnet, but we'll see how it goes. Now, before anybody starts saying, why would you trade a Scat Pack for a Scat Pack? Let me tell you why. My Scat Pack was a 2015, so it had 2015 tech. It had the 4-piston Brimbos, because that's how they were when they came out. It had the 2015 Uconnect screen. It didn't have really the SRT pages. It didn't have the adaptive suspension or Apple CarPlay. So basically, you're going from like an iPhone 5S to an iPhone 12 Pro Max. You're getting the wide body, the 11-inch wheels all the way around, all the performance tech. This one has the adaptive cruise, line lock, all built into it, guys. The SRT pages. This car is built really good as far as performance goes in 2021. So I could have cut my fenders, put a wide body kit, wider wheels, but my Scat Pack would always be a 2015 car. So we were car shopping. The Hellcats are, gosh, like 100,000 right now. Crazy markups. It is not a good time to buy a car. Dealers are marking these up like crazy. They even wanted 3,000 marked up for this one, and I told them no. So now is a really bad time to buy a Scat Pack. They're preying on the V8s, you know what I mean, extinction and SRT disbanding. But I'm really happy and loving this car, guys. And what's funny is they seem to have dropped the whole RT trim together. I don't know why, if it's, you know what I mean, they're trying to put Scat Pack in a class of its own. I still need to tint the tail lights. Was waiting to get the windows tinted. We got those tinted on Tuesday, and they should be fully cured by now. But this window tint is super dark. It's ceramic. It blocks the IR, good for heat. Now, one thing I don't like is the SRT on the brakes, because I mean, that's kind of a Pandora's box if this car is a SRT or not. And it also has the flat bottom steering wheel, which is really nice. It feels really good, guys. It's nice and fat right here. So I mean, the performance tech and the 2021 features alone make this car worth it. If you want to know how much I got for my old Scat Pack, all of that information, I will put a banner up here. You can watch that video as well. But Dodge did a really good car on, or a really good job on these wide bodies or fender flares, whatever you want to call them. But I'm super pleased with this car, guys. My old Scat Pack was fully loaded, so it had the adaptive cruise, the lane departure warning. This one doesn't have it, so we kind of traded some convenience for performance. But I am all for it, guys. This car is beautiful. I don't know why it feels a little bit more peppy than my old one. I don't know, guys. It's just weird. But this car feels really good. The 11s all the way around, it feels so nice, guys. The only thing, I don't know why it's so high. It sits really high in the front and the back. I don't know, for some strange reason. But this Touareg clear coat, wow, guys, just absolutely pops. This tint is super dark. It blocks a lot of the infrared heat and light. Super pleased. We already got the wheel hash stripes on there. I will put a link in the video description. You can check that out. So we got to get the lights tinted. We got to get a shark fin on there, a decal on the mirror, hood wrapped. Got some good stuff planned for this car. I don't know how crazy I'm gonna get. Don't know if I'm gonna mod it super crazy like the last one, but got some really cool stuff planned out for this one, guys. But oh man, that wide body though looks so nice. So let's kind of hop inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about as far as the 2021 tech and performance features goes. All right, guys, let's take a look at what I'm talking about as far as the new performance pages goes. So here's one screen. This one has the adaptive suspension, so as you're driving, it adjusts and adapts as needed. You can set it. It has track, sport, custom, all that good stuff. Valet mode, which I mean limits your car to like second or third gear. You can't rev it, you can't race it, which is really cool. I actually use that for the tint. Eco mode if you want to save a little bit of gas. A lot of cool stuff here, guys, that my old one didn't have, being it was a 2015. So we've got the performance pages. Let's see if it'll load here. But I mean, it's got the line lock built in. The new updated performance pages, if you have a 2015 or maybe even a 16, you probably know what I'm talking about. If you have, I think it's like 2017 and above, you pretty much should already have a system like this. But as that loads, we still got the Alcantara and the leather, the Scat Pack B stitched in there. Let's take a look at this flat bottom steering wheel. It's nice and fat right here. It's still leather wrapped. But here is the screen. So we'll start with home. You can set power, gear. You can totally rearrange this to show what you want. your performance timers, gauges, and again, you can adjust everything in there to show what you want. G-force, which is a little dot, and as you pull G's different directions, it will pull that up. We got the engine, which basically, shows you the oil, horsepower, torque, all real-time information. We got the dyno's gears, horsepower through all the ranges. So my car didn't have any of this. It had a few gauges, a few other little performance modes, but that was pretty much it, guys. So this 2021 has all the cool tech, all the latest features that it's got line lock built into it. So I mean, it's really, really good stuff. Maybe I need to shut the door, but I don't know, for some reason it's not. I think because I'm in park, it's not letting me activate the line lock, but it has the line lock, the performance pages. It's got the shift light, launch control, which my old one had, but I'm sure this one has more updated, better features. But this is one of the reasons why we upgraded from the Scat Pack, because no matter how much money I threw at my old car, what I did to it, it was always going to be a 2015 with 2015 tech. So with this 2021 wide body, we have the 2021 Scat Pack 392 V8 with all of the 2021 features, 11-inch wheels wrapped in 305, all four corners, all the handling, all that good stuff, guys. So, I mean, I'm really, really pleased with my, my upgrade from the 2015 to this 2021. The 2015 is already gone, guys. It was at the dealership a few days. It's already been sold. I know the guy that sold it. He sent me a message. I seen it at I didn't see it in person. He sent me a picture of it at a car show. So the old hag is out there living her best life, guys, which is good. Somebody else is enjoying it, and I'm really, really happy. So, I mean, got to tint these lights, do some other cool stuff, but this is it, guys. The replacement for the old hag is here, and it is time to start modding it. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments. Drop a like, subscribe so you don't miss future videos. We got a lot of install videos, a lot of how-tos coming up, and just all around great content in general. So let's take a look at the window sticker here before we go. Okay, so we are 2021 Charger Scat Pack. So again, they seem to have dropped the RT off the name, and all your standard equipment, nothing's really changed there, except the Uconnect. Where it really changes is on the optional equipment and when you get the wide body. So the wide body is basically a $6,000 upgrade from your base price, and if not, you still get the 20 by 9 inch. So the wide body package gives you all speed traction control, Brembo 6-piston calipers, the performance shift indicator, body color, fender flares, flat bottom steering wheel, wide body competition suspension, which is really, really high, by the way, adaptive dampening suspension, the 305s all season tires with the devil's wheel, and that's pretty much what you get with the wide body package. It does have the Plus group, so it's got the Napa seats, just little stuff interior wise, creature comforts, so to speak. Locking lug nuts, $75, and red calipers are now $595, and the destination charge is $14.95, and it used to be like $9.95, something like that. But So the total out the door price is $42,500, you know, minus taxes, licenses, all that good stuff. Nothing's really changed right here from the 2021 to 2015. Still, this is my 2015 Scat Pack. So like I said, 2015 Charger RT Scat Pack, and 2021, they seem to have dropped the RT altogether. But the comparison in fuel, 1818, 6,000, 4,000, 27, 315. So that's pretty much the window sticker, guys, and this is it. Right now, I'm just calling it the redheaded stepchild, but I don't know if that's gonna stick. So, like I said, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.